people, once again, Jeff here, Unique Model Creations. Just a little quick update. Okay, we've done some tidying on the models. You can see here all of the wiring has been tacked down real nice and neat, and got everything coming out to these two, positive and negative. Okay, so all the wiring in. Lighting is in, basically, in this side. I've got left the ion pod right here, the holder for the LED. And, it seems like there's one more. Oh, there is. There is. I got the spotlights up here. Cool. We saw those. I actually had planned on one more right here. So, we're going to get that piece and get that attached at some point. Next video, see that. And then there's a light that I plan on putting right here that will shine outwards. Now, originally I was intending on using extremely sanded down LEDs. You saw those in the video that I did showcasing me putting the lights together. Here's one right here. If I can get it to focus there. Come on, baby. You know you want to. You know, oh, man, come on. Okay, kinda, maybe. But you can see it there. You see how thin that is. Got that ground down to the size of the wire. Nice. So, the plan was to use those and, drill this down so that one of those fit right there and it'd be nice and bright. But seeing as how the fiber optics provide me the lighting that I want to have, it makes that incredibly easy. Same too, it will be on the exterior of the nacelles because I want to do the same type of lighting on the nacelles. We'll lay the decal up about where it gets marked at and then mark the holes and then put them down and then make probably a couple of little styrene plops right there so that it'll have an anchor point, get it nice, sand it down. It's some fiddly work. It's going to be some small stuff, but it's going to be fun. It's going to be fun. So that's my plan with that. That's going to be cool. Those will be the spotlights on the engineering hall. Be nice. Like I said, a different look to this ship just altogether. But other than that, and a mishap that I had. Okay, so before I get to the mishap, shuttle bay, that is nice. I got to do a little bit of light blocking across there, sand the putty down, then a little bit of light blocking. I have test fitted this, and that previous test that we saw showed it extremely tight. After I did a few more modifications to the shuttle bay actually itself, it actually fits in there quite nicely. I have that light right there that illuminate that dome, and also the shuttle control room up there on the exterior. So we've got that. Gonna be nice. And mishap. Okay, so in all my shuffling for getting out here, getting inside of the shop, getting my stuff together, an entire sprue of clear parts has ghosted on me. I have no idea where it went. Included in that was the other long piece that sits inside of the nacelle track, the pylon track right here. I don't know where that went. Luckily, I got the pilot kit for this model. It comes with additional windows. I'm not going to use those windows. So, those rectangular shapes are the same sizes all across this ship, which is beautiful. Simplistic in design, and it works. Why wouldn't it work? So, we just take 3 of those windows. It looks crude sitting in there. Now, I'm going to epoxy those in here in just a second. On both sides, actually. It looks crude sitting in here. On here, they do jut out a little bit more, so I'll have to sand those down. That's the word I'm looking for. Down. I'm going to have to sand those down so that they are flush with the pylon. Okay. But then I'll have the windows. I really don't know what happened to that. It's the weirdest thing. But, it's just something I kind of sort of have to deal with right about now. So, but other than that, though, like I said, it's just a short update vid on what's going on and stuff. Has been going slowly, but, last week, holidays and stuff this week was some fun and stuff as well with the family and everything. So, it kind of taken me back, but time to get back out here, time to get back on this model. And base is together. This pole has been epoxied in. I didn't mind throwing epoxy just around there right here, as well as down off inside the hole. You see the wood block that this actually sits inside of. It has epoxy in it as well. This pole is going nowhere. So, and we made sure too, before we start doing that, marked it with a piece of tape and also a line on it, so that whenever I set it back in there, tape lined up, the line on the tape lined up, and when so that the ship will be the level that we'll have it when it's sitting on this stand. Nice. Do rock this. I love it a lot. So that is the progress so far. It's slow, it's minimal, but it's progress nonetheless. We will go forth, continue working on this model, as well as other projects as well. Those of you out there building models, keep building, and I will see you guys in the next one.